Hi everyone, welcome to the Easy Learn channel. Today I want to show you how you can use Windows Photo Viewer to open photos in Windows 10. Well, we open a photo. As you can see, the photo was opened by the Photos app, which is the default program of Windows 10. First, download the Activate Windows Photo Viewer on Windows 10 program from the internet. This program is free. Open the folder. We click on Activate Windows Photo Viewer on Windows 10. Note that the extension of this file is reg. We click on Run. We click on Yes. We click on OK. Well, let's open the photo again. As you can see, the photo was opened again by the Photos app. To solve this problem, we need to change the default settings of Windows. Right-click on the photo. We go to the Open With section and click on Choose Another app. Scroll down and click on More apps. In this section, we find Windows Photo Viewer and click on it. Check the Always Use this app to open section and then click OK. As you can see, the photo was opened by Windows Photo Viewer. Now all photos with JPEG extension are opened with Windows Photo Viewer program. For example, if you want photos with other extensions such as PNG to be opened with this program, you must repeat these steps for them. I hope this video was useful to you. If you wish, you can subscribe to this channel. If you click on the bell, you will receive a notification as soon as a new video of me is released. By clicking like, you can help more people see this video. By joining my Telegram channel, you can find out about my latest published videos. Thanks for watching this video.